Okay, so here we're looking at the back of my paper. So I'm going to use this to show you guys how to draw some people in here. So the people that are in Jonathan Green's landscapes, they look like the people that would live in the region that he's in. So they're usually wearing hats and they're usually dressed in a way, it looks like they're either working or they're working outside. So those hats, I don't think it's because they're cold. I think it's to keep the sun off their head. So here I've drawn an oval for someone's head. I'm drawing the shape of their shoulders. And a lot of his people, we can't see their actual face. Part of it's because the hat obscures their face. Part of it's because they're turned away from us. I'm going to have this guy like turned around to where he's facing away from us. So here I've drawn the shape of his shoulders and his elbows kind of sticking out. If I put a line here, this will look like the separation between the sleeve of his shirt and then the actual shirt part that covers his body. Maybe his sleeves are rolled up some, so I'm going to put a little cuff there. And then a lot of them seem to be like wearing overalls. So I'm going to put these crisscross there, or it could be suspenders. And then if he has pants on, I'm going to do two parallel lines going this way, but then I need a line in the middle to separate to show his legs. So maybe he's standing there like a lot of the images that you guys have seen. It looks like somebody's fishing. They're standing in the water. So if he's standing in the water, I don't even have to draw his feet and stuff. I can put some lines around to show that he's in the water. His hat needs to have the part that covers his actual head, that touches his head. Then it's going to have the brim that goes from the front around to the back and then around again. So this is why I didn't have to stress out about drawing his face and the back of his head accurately. It was getting covered up. A woman would be drawn in a very similar way. So an oval for the head. A lot of the women in his paintings, they're portrayed wearing like long skirts or dresses. There's a breeze because they're near the coast, they're near the ocean. So a few of them have their arms kind of covered because they're wearing like a shawl that's kind of blowing in the wind. So I'm going to do some lines that indicate that. And their skirt would be going the same way. So this is nice because I didn't have to stress out about drawing her arms, didn't have to stress out about drawing her legs. And when I put the hat on her head, I don't even have to worry too much about her face. So either one of these people would work for you to actually put into your landscape. So in the next video, you'll see that I've got one in there already.